I know all of you are going to be jealous of my look right now, but whatever. I'm really liking this hat. I haven't seen anything, but oh my goodness, you see that?
Oh no, that's not! Oh no! Oh, that's scary.
Yeah.
Last week on Waldesailing, after waiting for a weather window, we decided to take a chance and make our way around Brooks Peninsula. What started out as a dicey looking day turned out to be a pretty relaxed and enjoyable sail. Once anchored in the very secluded Dixie Cove, we hiked to the top of a bluff and enjoyed the view. The following morning, we sailed further into the inlet to get some fuel and water from the only fuel dock in all of Kyuquot Sound.
So we just docked here in Fair Harbor and it's so busy. It must be summer hours. So many fishing boats. I think we're the only sailboat. It's beautiful up here. It's pretty much just a fuel dock. Apparently there's a little store with like milk and a few snacks. So we may just go grab some milk and make do with what else we have in the fridge and move on from here. So we checked the weather and there's another gale force warning in effect for this area. So we're gonna stay here close to Wi-Fi, check the weather, and then just determine a good time to go. So we may move on tomorrow. There's another Walter's Cove, which is near the entrance of Kyuquot Sound. And we may just have to go to the dock there. But anyway, for now we're here. Josh is here overnight as well. He ended up rafting next to our boat on the dock because there's no other space. It's pretty full here right now. And yeah, I'm heating up leftovers, which is kind of like spaghetti chili kind of thing. Leftovers. And I'm making, it's garlic butter. And I'm gonna use the bread that I made yesterday to make garlic bread, which is a big treat because we haven't had bread in so long. Part by choice and part by just not buying it, so I'll show you that end of it because that end shows that I didn't bake it all the way through. So I'm excited for the garlic bread. How's the bread?
Good. Finally got some sunshine. We can eat outside again. First time since Campbell River.
Did we actually eat outside in Campbell River?
Pretty sure, yeah.
Anyway, yeah, and that was cold. That's crazy. Josh joined us again. Hello, Josh.
Hi.
Yeah, we're bunking down here for the night. Go check the weather again later. Right?
Yeah, nothing changed when I checked it again.
Good.
Which is good, I guess.
Tomorrow looks like the best of the days.
Until Tuesday.
It is a beautiful Saturday morning. There's not a lot of wind here, but there's supposed to be 20 to 30 knots of wind on the coast. So we're gonna...
Increasing to 25 to 35.
Increasing to 25 to 35, so we're gonna make our way down there and see what the weather's actually like. We're hoping to make a good, what would you call it? Leap transition today. But we have to see what the weather's like first. So.
Why are you making that weird face?
It's a tight race.
We left in the morning and were able to ride the outflow winds as we left Kyuquot Sound. Our friend Josh had left earlier in the morning and we were determined to sail faster and pass him on the way out.
I know all of you are going to be jealous of my look right now, but whatever. I'm really liking this hat. So we're just getting out into the open water and we've got about 15 or 16 knots right here, which we're not quite out there, so we're hoping it just stays as this. As we left Kyuquot Sound and entered the open ocean, the wind held around a nice 16 knots, and with not much swell, we just cruised on. And it's never a bad day when some friends stop by to say hi. I see it! Oh, I haven't seen anything, but oh my goodness, you see that?
Oh no, that's not that!
Was that the tail?
Yeah!
Oh my goodness, that's so awesome! Lyndon, I was looking through the camera! Morning, right after 1 under. I'm sorry. Woohoo!
So we just made it here to, what was it called, Tiff?
Port Langford.
Port Langford.
And I'll
it's
tell you. I'll tell you quick. Nachalitz Inlet on Nootka Island.
So that's where
Nachalitz.
So that's where we are. But yeah, this morning there was gale force warnings where we were. So we were a little nervous about today, but we sort of just took it one step at a time, and it all worked out in the end. We were right on the edge of 2 weather zones. So the weather zone we were in was forecasting really heavy winds and seas building to 3 to 4 meters. And then the weather section just south of us was much better. So we decided to go for it in hopes that we would sort of not catch any of the strong winds, which it basically all worked out. Mm-hmm. So it's beautiful here. We're gonna go explore on the dinghy, and
There's some caves.
There's some caves here. Probably get out of the sun a little bit.
You're a little burnt.
I'm probably sunburned.
You got a burn on your burn.
Anyways, let's go, Tiff. The dinghy trip was a little longer than our usual trip, and just before we left, Tiffany asked, "Are you sure we have enough fuel?" To which I replied, "Yeah, sure." 2 minutes later, the engine sputtered and died.
In the water.
Like a shroom.
Like the row of shame.
After enduring lots of sass and many I told you so's, I had the tank filled and we took off to explore.
Know where they are exactly, so I think that's it over there. Lyndon's checking the engine. That's so awesome.
Kind of a weird looking crab.
Sit here?
Yeah.
Wow, this is sweet. There's no no bears here, right? I hope not.
Well, that's not true.
You don't think so? I don't know if there's any bears here. I hope not. Lyndon did not bring his shoes. So unprepared. What was in there?
Nothing.
Rocks.
Port Langford was one of the best anchorages we stayed at while we were on the west coast. It was relatively calm and there was no shortage of little nooks and crannies to explore. What? So many rocks. Ooh, you want to go in through that? Sure. Yeah, I do. I really do. There's more caves. This place is so awesome. We're both so pumped that we came here. This is very cool.
Oh,
This is terrifying.
I know. Oh, that's scary.
Yeah. Woo! Come stand here and we'll. Woo! Ah! How back does that go? Okay.
Scary.
Hello! It doesn't sound like it's too deep. Woo! This is really awesome. I love it. I should probably go help him rather than just watch him struggle. Okay, a bit coming in. This is a highlight, I would say, for me. This is very cool.
This makes us excited about sailing again. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this episode. Thanks again to all our wonderful patrons. You guys are directly helping this adventure to continue on. If you'd like to become a patron or find out more, just click on the link that's on your screen. We just added a GPS tracker to this site, so now all our patrons can see exactly where we are. Have a great week, everyone. See you next Wednesday.